Hi all. In today's video, I'm going to share some hard truths about affiliate marketing and what it really takes to run an online business. Hope you don't feel like me. I need a social media detox. And I thought I'm just going to chill out and talk to you. Maybe you feel the same. I'm Loendi from legitblueprint.com. And on my channel, this is all about affiliate marketing, where I provide training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Most of my videos are tutorials, affiliate market strategies, how to get more traffic, how to collect more leads, how to work with email marketing, make sales online, and reviews of shiny objects which you shouldn't buy, and save your money, keep it in your pocket. The truth is, there's a lot of shiny objects out there. Nobody tells you. Be careful, don't get caught. Like me, I've been through that. I did that. So one of the truths, it's hard. It's not easy. And there's lots of challenges out there, and we get caught so easy. If you listen to me, you hear because you need an income. And people told you this is easy. It does not have to take long for you to make money. So today I'm doing something a little different. There's no slides, there's no training videos, there's no things. I'm just talking from my heart to you. I just want to share some truths about affiliate marketing with you, not to make you negative, but to talk to you about what people never tell you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And I hope you enjoyed today's hard talk, if we can mention that. Did you know? Only 5% of affiliate marketers really make it to 6 and 5 figures. Well, this is not to make you negative. It's to tell you we have something to work for if we want to be part of the 5%. People who make money online have a lot of expenses, and they do not make the profits that they really want. There's only a few that really get to the top. In the beginning, this is really true. But as you start, you learn as you go. And as you keep learning, you keep making things happen. Although it's slow, sometimes fast, it all depends what you are doing. What I found, if you're not learning, you're working on your business. For instance, I do some automations. I make sure my emails are going out. I structure something. I'm making a landing page. There's always something we have to attend to. Some days I feel like it gets too much. That's when I make an appointment with myself. 30 minutes, hard talk from me to me, telling myself, what is your goal? Why did you start? And why do you want to make this work? And not long, I'm positive on the go. I made a decision. I'm not a quitter. I'm going to make this work by hook or by crook. So let's help each other. If this is what you want, I'll help you. Ask me. I've been in this business for 4 years now. 3 part-time. I lost my job. So the last year, I had to make it work. Making an income as I don't have a job with a salary anymore. Who knows? You might be in the same boat. So let's make this work. In my business, everything is online. There's funnels, landing pages, automation, email traffic, and still it takes energy from me. No matter what you do, it always drains you and it takes its toll. But when I reach the 5%, I would feel happy about my success. This is another truth. of affiliate marketing that people don't tell you. It's taking a long time. It's not a get rich quick. You don't just press a button. You don't make money in 19 hours or in 30 minutes you get traffic from all over. This is what people are selling you, and it doesn't work. No matter how big you are or how small, or if you're just a beginner, affiliate marketing has its challenges. The bigger you get, the bigger the challenges. If you have a team, there's always challenges. Just remember, you're responsible for your own business, not the team, not the people. You are the one who's doing the work, and you are the one structuring your business and giving it to the team. We're responsible, and that's why we have to rely on ourselves, making sure we know what we're doing. I see a lot of gurus, shiny cars, showing their bank account and the airplane and all the things they do. Don't get frustrated. Don't get negative. This is not easy. We'll get there. I don't need the cars. I don't need the airplane. I just want freedom for myself, that I can decide what I want to do when I want to do it. The gurus is not telling you all this. They pretend they know it all. It's easy, and now they're rich. Sometimes you have to read between the lines. This is common and this is normal for people to do this, and they want you to think it's easy. You can break through this. It takes hard work, and you have to make sure you do the work. My small success is because I did the work. I look at myself and then I decide, lock yourself in the office. Today is the day you're going to do this. And this is what you have to do. There's no time for thinking I'm lazy. I don't feel like doing it. We in charge, and we responsible for our work ethics. When you started this, everybody said easy. I talked to one of the guys this morning who told me, if I pay you, why must I do the work? Why can't you do the work? Well, I have the knowledge now, and I can share the knowledge, and I can show you the ropes. I still don't know what is your niche. I don't know who's your clients. I don't know what you want to sell to them. We can work together, and I can help you, but definitely not paying money on the table, and I do the work, and you will get rich. This is not affiliate marketing. Networking. This is very important. I've learned being on my own, struggling on my own was the hardest thing that I could ever do. Being in a group where you help each other, where you support each other, where we can cry on each other's shoulders sometimes, because things are not easy and things are not always turning out like we want to. If you feel you need a group that will support you, sign up for my Facebook group. The link is below the video, and let's talk. Let's network. Let's learn about your questions and your challenges. And the group is fantastic. Being in the group, I love to be with my people. And I would love to have you with me in the group, that we can talk and I can help you. Affiliate marketing is giving value, not really the money. I don't really worry about the money. I want to give value and help you and get rid of your negativity, your challenges, and the things that nobody shares with you. The truths of affiliate marketing that nobody tells you. It's common for affiliate marketers, and it's easy to say, affiliate marketing is easy. You press a button and you make money. Don't believe them. Don't go for that. Don't buy shiny objects, think you will get rich quick. There's no such schemes. Work ethics, hard work, and sticking to one system. This is what you have to do. Do not believe everything you hear from the internet and from the gurus. It's not always true. I've been here and I know by now nobody can face me and nobody can tell me anything. I can still learn. I don't say I know it all, but I've been through scams. I lost money and I learned the hard way. Solo ads, for instance. Everybody say when you start as a beginner, buy traffic. This is the worst thing I did. I lost all my money waiting to make a sale. It's good to say, I made 40 bucks. I made a sale. How much did it cost me? Much more than the 40 bucks. So don't let them fool you. Affiliate marketing is simple. We make it overcomplicated and we try to add too much to it. I can show you a way to make it easy but simple. Not without work. You have to do the work. I have a 9-step roadmap that I follow with my affiliate marketing. You don't have to be rich to be able to do this. You can give me a call and a free call. We can work together and see how I can support and help you. I have one-to-one sessions that you can give me a one session if you just want specific answers for specific things. If you want me to map out the 9 steps in your niche and help you to get that started, you can make one call and I will help you. If you need the full training for 3 months, 90 days, I will give it to you. And because I know Corona, we're all in difficult situations, we don't have income, I even decreased the price. I give you 50% off if you want to join my group, and $250 a month for my time, for the one-to-ones, for giving you the strategy. I don't feel too bad about this, as long as I can give you value and help you to make your online business work. Why do I say this? I have a truth. I had to hit rock bottom and I had to have hard facts to get to the real results. Just when you think you can't go lower, things happen. And that's when I lost my job and I had to make affiliate marketing work for me. And this is when I really learned the ropes and how to do it. So remember, we're all unique. Don't compare you to anybody out there. We're unique, we have our own skills, we have our own type of things, but the strategies work and you must just find the right mentor to do the work with you. And that's what I say, partner with me, I will help you. So that's it for today. If you didn't, sign up below and look at my channel where I have a lot of information that you can learn from. And if you need a Facebook group that will let you cry on their shoulder and support you, click on the link below and join the group for networking or just to say hi. If you don't have any troubles, I would love to have you in this group. And if you need a social media detox, I suggest you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the Facebook group, leave me a comment. Did you learn something? Do you understand how affiliate marketing should work? And then off the internet. Take a break. Be good and kind to yourself. If you feel better, tomorrow start your new day with the new plans and get to it. And we will both make it work for you. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope I could teach you something about affiliate marketing. Each other. See you in my training.